here this afternoon. This degree of precision has become a trademark of the Blue Angels since first established 66 years ago. 16 officers and 100 enlisted personnel comprise the Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron. 4 of the demonstration pilots fly in a tight diamond. From Elgin, Illinois, our public affairs officer is Lieutenant Katie Kelly. Our Boeing technical representatives are Mr. Ed Robinson from Waverly, Minnesota, Mr. Todd Lawson from... It is not visible while the engines are in afterburner. Accelerates in the descent. They acquired the necessary airspeed for their next maneuver. As the Diamond pilots pull into the vertical, they will experience 4 times the force of gravity as they perform this looping maneuver. Number 5 is rolling. A dirty roll on takeoff. To the right, Blue Angel number 6, 300 miles per hour. Watch as we... Look at that very minimum 18-inch wingtip to canopy separation that exists between these 4 aircraft.
A foot and a half.
The Blue Angel Diamond. Bank and push forward on the stick as they perform the opposing knife edge pass. A 7.5 G afterburning turn that exits the flight line vertically, showcasing the Hornet's slow speed climb capability. At 400 miles per hour.